again. Welcome back to my channel. These are the ingredients needed for my simple chicken tinola. Yeah. So I have here the main ingredients, the chicken slice, and instead of papaya, I'll be using sayote. Yeah. And then of course, instead of malunggay, I'll be using spinach, of course. And the sliced onion, garlic, and ginger, and of course the chili. And for the seasons, I'll be using salt, black pepper, marjoram, and of course the fish sauce. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed watching my simple ways of cooking my own version of chicken tinola, which is famous in our country. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in and enjoy watching, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again, Jeanette's Lifestyle. I have already here the pan and I need to add oil. Okay, and then of course first thing is that if the oil is already hot, of course onion first. Yeah, stir it until it's light brown, or as you wish, crystal in color. Yeah, okay, onion is done. Next is the garlic. Stir it also until light brown the garlic, yeah, or as you wish. And I'm already putting the sliced ginger. Stir. And it's time for me to add the chicken sliced. Stir it. After that, I'm already adding the fish sauce. Black pepper. Bit salt. Marjoram. Chicken tinola is very nice, especially if it's cold weather here in this country. Yeah, very good. So let it cover first, yeah, and simmer like 3 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. Let's check. Okay. So it's time for me now to add the boiling water. Yes. There we go. So let it boil like 10 minutes or until it's tender. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Let's check. Okay. So the chicken is soft now. Yeah. It's time for me to add the sayote. Okay. There you go. So let's cook it again like 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, until it's tender. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. Let's check. So the sayote is already cooked and it's time for me to put the chili and then the spinach. Okay. There we go. So just simmer it again like a minute, yeah, and then it's finally done. Yeah, I'll add more black pepper. Okay, and simmer to boil, and then it's finally done. Okay, later I will show you how I serve it into a serving bowl. Okay, thanks for watching. So guys, this is already my finished product for today. Yeah, so my simple and easy ways of cooking chicken tinola. Yeah, so there you go. Very good for cold weather, and of course very healthy as well. Yes, so there you go. Hope you guys learned again another recipe for my today's vlog. Yeah, a simple one, and of course my own version. There you go. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and stay safe. And if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also please hit the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. Okay? So once again, thank you for watching and stay safe and God bless everyone. Love you guys.